Since the late 1700s, machines have evolved from their simple roots into the complex machine trains of today. Likewise, the cost to repair and replace these assets has grown exponentially. But as computer technology became more accessible and applicable to production, the idea that machine downtime could be predicted and thereby avoided began to emerge. By the 1980s, asset monitoring became a key strategy for facilities wanting to recognize the hidden profit in their maintenance departments. These plants began defining their assets based on criticality to production. Typically, most plants found themselves bottom-heavy with assets of lower consequence and dependent upon fewer high-consequence assets. Today, 90% of the total assets are monitored manually, meaning the data collected must be reviewed by a vibration analyst to diagnose developing issues. The criticality of the asset determines how it will be monitored. The most critical and most expensive to replace are monitored using online rack-mounted systems that can also provide continuous protection capabilities. The balance of plant assets is monitored using either wireless devices for economical continuous monitoring or handheld instruments used to collect data on calendar-based routes. While this approach has worked well for many plants, it comes with significant drawbacks. For example, the use of handheld instruments regularly sends personnel into less safe areas of the plant. Infrequent data collection creates data blind spots where indications of developing failures can occur. Insufficient labor to manually collect data leaves some assets unmonitored. And experienced vibration analysts are required to read the data and uncover the developing faults. For those reasons and more, it is easy to understand why there would still be a demand for increasing asset uptime and availability. Let's look at how digital transformation is now improving the traditional condition monitoring approach and addressing the known challenges. Many plants already on an active digital transformation journey are seeing the benefits of automated monitoring when data is filtered through embedded, prescriptive analytics and the developing fault and its severity are identified. Online monitoring from rack-based systems will remain the protectors of the most critical assets in the plant, providing both prediction and protection capabilities 24/7. But a new category of edge analytical devices makes online monitoring affordable and extremely effective for a larger number of assets. By utilizing embedded analytics, they relocate data analysis in the office to diagnosis in the field on mobile devices. Wireless devices use the same embedded prescriptive analytics to report developing problems that once required years of vibration analysis experience to identify. More data delivered wirelessly from the field and diagnosed automatically means fewer man-hours spent on route data collection and analysis. Handheld devices become sophisticated troubleshooters when a problem is identified. This modern approach to condition monitoring addresses many of the concerns of the more traditional strategy. Personnel spend less time in the field collecting data and more time on higher value tasks. All data is collected continuously, eliminating blind spots. All assets can be monitored by existing personnel. And the use of embedded prescriptive analytics delivers the vibration expertise to narrow in on the type of developing fault and its severity. Modern monitoring technologies can report back to a single collaboration portal that communicates with mobile devices. This approach provides the most sophisticated overview of asset health at any time, anywhere. Further maximize asset availability by applying process data analytics that detect abnormal events and performance deviations. Advanced analytics empower operations with the knowledge to make quick, effective decisions for the production process. Plants implementing a modern approach based on automated condition monitoring are seeing increased uptime and availability over their previous monitoring strategy and contribute more towards achieving business goals. Ready to get started transforming your asset monitoring program? Contact your local Emerson representative or learn more on our website.